All right, today we have a special guest. My daughter Aliyah is going to help us open up. And what are we opening today?
Hidden Arsenal Chapter 1.
Rock on. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to dive into this first box here. I love the artwork on these. These are so cool. And Aliyah is next to me. She is going to be opening the 2 extra boxes that we got. Just look at that. That's so cool. I know not everybody who plays modern Yu-Gi-Oh! Is necessarily into some of these older archetypes, but I was around when these archetypes first came out. Dragoonities, Ice Barriers, Naturia, Fabled, Lavels, all this stuff. So this is just so cool, so nostalgic. And the box art is just so cool. I love it. Barca. Oh man, this is just cool.
Wow, that is a lot.
Yeah. This is just one box pair. We got 4 boxes like this to open up. So, all right. So, I'm going. Oh wow! Come on, sideways. Ah, that's so cool. That's so cool. Okay. So, yep, Aliyah, you're opening up one over there. I'm gonna open up all the boxes and get out all the displays, all the extra cards, and the dice, and then we'll just have the packs. And we'll open up the packs one by one. I don't know if you guys care to see any of this. Might just edit some of this out. We do have a lot of them to get through. Oh, you got that! All right, Aliyah got Draguni Kusarme. This guy looks super cool.
And my symbol?
And you got the Ice Barriers one. She got the Ice Barrier dice. Oh, that's so cool. You got your packs? Rock on. There should be a little display thing. We can set all of these aside. These things? Yeah, so here's the display. We can open that up towards the end and go through that a little bit. Let's put the plastic and the boxes back in there. Cool. So for my first one here, I got Armed Dragon, the Armored Dragon. Very nice. Here's the packs. And then I got the dice I got is the Laval. Awesome. Oh, you got the Armed Dragon too. So we got a second one. There's our second one. Nice. Set aside all the packs right here.
And my dice is green.
Ooh, let's see. What dice did she get? She got... Is that cherries? I can't really tell. Yeah, that's cherries.
Yay. I got
She got
cherries.
the cherries. Where's my focus? All right. You can go ahead and open up some more, Bear. Yeah, grab 2. And we'll just open up the whole display, and then we'll start cracking open the packs. Hardest part about opening these things up. The display, looks like we got the Ice Barrier dice here. Very cool. And for our next prize card, another Kusarme. Awesome. So, let's see what we got. Another Kusarme. Wow. Rock on.
There are
I
lots
love
of
it.
those.
Yeah. And another Ice Barrier.
Wow.
That's so cool. All right. Ice Barriers are probably one of my favorites archetypes out of all this. So, I was never like a huge Dragoonity player, but some of these new...
one.
Oh my god. 4. We got 4 Kusarme. That's awesome. And another Ice Barrier. Wow. Oh, that's crazy.
Lots of ice berries.
Lots of Kusarmes, lots of Ice Barriers. Very cool. Okay. Now, there you go, Bear. Let's see, we got 4 more, and we'll start opening up these packs for our secret. Yes, Pile Armed Dragon. This is the cash money one right here. Our 2 packs. And the display. And for our dice, we got Cherries. Naturia. I don't know if that's cherries on there, but it's the Naturia dice. 2 more. And then our first display is empty. Rock on. I have to keep some of these boxes here. These are some pretty cool boxes. Okay. I'll borrow that pen. Very nice. See what we got. Power Tool Dragon. Awesome.
I got another one.
Awesome. You can go ahead and show it. You can show it into the. Yeah. Oh, it's right here. There you go, right there. She got the lava, and I got a cherries. Or a Naturia one.
I got another one.
Another Kusame. Yeah. All right. Rock on. Got one more box to open up here, and then we'll start cracking open some packs. For our first display.
There are so many packs. Let's see what he's got.
Power Tool Dragon. Here's our packs.
Wow.
And we got another Laval. So far, only 3 of the dice out of 10 displays. Only 3 of the dice. Wow. And only 4 of the secret rare cards. So that's interesting. That's very interesting. I watched a few different openings, and this, very interesting. Okay. Let's, here, I'm going to do the packs here, Bear. I'll have you do the last couple packs. Deal?
Mm-hmm.
All right. We got Allied Justice Rudra, Blizz Defender of the Ice Barrier, Flambeau Guard, Allied Justice Field Marshal, all these fun commons. And we got, we got the Red Eyes Black Dragon Dual Terminal. Rock on. We got Dragoonity Ducks. Awesome. Awesome. And we got Deloran Tiger King of the Ice Barrier, along with an Allied Justice Quarantine. People have been saying that the commons, the common dual terminals are the things to be looking out for, just because there's only one of them per box, which is fascinating. It's absolutely fascinating that the ultras are not more, in wanting. Okay, let's go into the next pack. What do we got? We got some commons. And we get 2 Lava Golem. Oh yes, I love to see this reprint. I saw this in the in some of the pack openings. I was so excited. Gugnir and Flame Wingman. Oh yeah, and Daisojo of the Ice Barrier. Wow, Flame Wingman. That's awesome. Red Eyes and Flame Wingman right away. That is epic. That is so cool. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Just love that all these cards got all these reprints. Oh yes, yes. Book of Moon, baby. Book of Moon. Mist Valley Apex Avian.
We saw that in a video.
Yeah. Naturia Bamboo Shoot. She's this is one of the cards that's on the box. Yeah. And then we also got Ally of Justice Cosmic Gateway. Very nice, very nice. Love to see it, love to see it. All right, next pack. Line me up, Aliyah. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, wow, this pack is actually got a couple cards that were upside down. Naturia Cherries, Deloran, another Deloran, and an Ally of Justice Decisive Armor with a Fabled Unicorn common.
Unicorn?
Yeah. All right, line me up. Thank you. Okay. Really want to see if we can get a skill drain out of this this display. That would be epic. Barrel Dragon, our second red eyes, and a blue eyes white dragon. Aliyah is fainting. Fabled Mistoji is our common, and oh my God, there it is, ladies and gents. Second red eyes and our blue eyes. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Into our next pack. Ooh, Cyber Dragon. Yes. Cyber Dragon, a second Book of Moon, and Naturia Cherries. With the red eyes, Darkness Metal Dragon. Ooh. Common dual terminal. F yes. Oh, that is awesome. That is awesome. All right. Line me up. It's like having an extra set of hands. Oh. It's pretty nice. All right, we got another Barrel Dragon, Dragoonity Ducks, and Naturia Beast. Oh my God. I'm just so excited for these cards. And then our common dual terminal is Fabled Ashenvale. That is so awesome. All right, Naturia Beast. What an iconic card. What an icon. One of my favorites. I'm a huge Six Samurai player. Love me some Naturia Beast. Okay, here we go. On to our next pack. We got a Lava Golem.
Whoa, my. I'm dead.
We got MST. Yes. I'm dead. And a Phalanx. Yes. Yes. Oh, am I? Where's our comment? There it is. No, it is. Sometimes it's hard to see the dual terminal on these.
I can see
Naturia White Oak. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Gosh, even the commons are just such nostalgic cards. This is so cool. All right. Next, Fabled Diff. Yes, Barca. Oh my God, I'm so glad Barca got a reprint here. I actually sold my Barcas in hope and in anticipation for getting some reprints. That is so awesome. Barca. We got Bryanak. Speaking of iconic, Bryanak, and we got another Phalanx. And we got Ancient Flamvell Deity. Beautiful, beautiful. You rock her. Thank you. Yeah, Barca's, the secret rares were going for a pretty penny. Oh, Dark Magician, dual terminal, ultra rare. We got the set of vanillas. We got another Mist Valley Apex Avian. Yes! Yes, we got Skill Drain. We got it. All right. This is the best card in this. Obviously, you guys know if you're watching, everyone's looking for those skill drains. And then we got Naturia Tulip as our common. Oh my God, this is awesome. This is awesome. Okay. Wow, I don't even know how many displays we're into it yet, but wow. Looks like we're about maybe over halfway through. Got some really good ones so far. Barrel Dragon. There's our third Barrel Dragon. Our second Cyber Dragon. Phalanx. And Fabled Catsith for our common dual term. Kitty. Can you count how many packs are left here?
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we have, will be the end of our 6th display box. We got Gale Bulge. We got another Ducks, a second Naturia Beast, and an Ally of Justice Enemy Catcher. Very nice, very nice. Okay, next one. To our last 4 displays for this first round. My God, we have 3 more boxes to go through. This is insane. This is insanity. All right. Getting ahead of myself here. Mistworm. Love to see it. Naturia Barkion. And another Blue Eyes White Dragon. Oh my God. Ally of Justice Searcher as a common dual terminal. That is so cool. That is so cool. Okay, here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Dragoonity Knight, Gale Bulge. Deloran, Tiger King of the Ice Barrier. And a Dark Paladin! And a Dragoonity Dark Spear. We all know this Dark Paladin, all the Dark Paladins go up in value over time. So this is cash money right here. We love to see it. Love to see it.
We have 5 more.
Berserker Crush. The artwork looks a little different on this than the old ones. Looks like a darker brown on the Karibo. I don't know if I'm just seeing things or what. Mistworm. We got a Mistworm. Polly. We got a Polly. And a Dragoonity Ducks with Dragoonity Knight Trident as a common. Oh my god. Wow. That is awesome. That is awesome. Wowie wow. Okay. Diving into more goodness. We got Barrel Dragon, another Flame Wingman, and a Grimro. Yes, I probably will play that in my Fable deck. That is awesome. Oh, then what is our... Is this our common? Yes, this is it. Yep, I can see it now. Mist Valley Thunderlord is our common dual terminal. Can't skip over those. Here we go. 4 more packs until we open up the next box. Another Lava Golem. Love to see it. Fabled Ragin. All right, we got one of these finally. Gugner, Dragon of the Ice Barrier, and a Blizzard, Defender of the Ice Barrier. Love it. Freaking love it. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. MST. Beautiful. Polymerization and Naturia Beast. That's cracked. And an enemy controller. Dual terminal. Wow. That was a cracked one. Naturia Beast. Polymerization. Talk about Nostalgia City. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here we go. Card Trooper. I saw a lot of people pulling this. This is actually our first Card Trooper pull. Ally of Justice, Decisive Armor. Everyone recognizes this from the Necros deck now. And the Phalanx, the Geomancer of the Ice Barrier as our common dual terminal. Still looking for that shining Flame Wingman. Let's see if we can get it in this last pack. Barrel Dragon, Bryanak, Phalanx with a Dragoonity Militum, common dual terminal. Okay, wow, that was. Well, this is a blast. This is awesome. Okay, this is 1 of 4, 1 of 4, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Time to start cracking open these next ones. We will stop recording for a minute and edit this in.
We're back.
Okay, we're back. So, box 2, we're going to show you guys all of the stuff we got. So, as far as dice goes, we got 2 Fables, which are new. We got 3 Ally of Justice dice, which are also new. And then we also got 1 Ice Barrier, 1 Naturia Cherries, and 1 Laval. As far as the secret rare pulls, we got, I'll show you the one we got the most of. We got 3 Armory Arms, okay? So that's a new one.
I pulled 2 of them.
Yeah, you did. We did get 2 Formula Synchron, another new one. We have not pulled any of those yet. And we also got 1 Deep Sea Repetiture. I probably butchered that name. Sorry.
The third one that I...
Yep, that's another one we got over here. And we got 1 Power Tool Dragon and 1 Gusarme again. Okay.
We keep getting these.
Gusarme, yeah, it's a good one. He's on the box. He's around the box.
Oh.
So, okay, now for the packs. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. All right. Diving in, Red Eyes, Polly, Naturia Beast, and Naturia Rose Whip. Love it. Awesome. Next. Naturia Barkion, Book of Moon, and a Flame Wingman with a Mist Valley Baby Rock. I have a feeling this card is just, at some point in the meta, it will just do some shenanigans. It's a card, ladies and gentlemen. It is a card. I know I have so many dice. Mist Valley, Apex Avian, Barrel Dragon, and Naturia Exterio with a Fabled Dionera as our common dual terminal. Very cool. Naturia Barkion, Red Eyes Black Dragon. We got a place out of those for sure. And the Dragoonity Ducks with a Naturia Mantis is our common dual terminal. All right, let's see the Shining Flame Wingman and the Skill Drain. We got Barca, another Barca. Book of Moon, Phalanx, and Berserk Crush in the dual terminal common. Love it. Awesome. We got MST. That's got to be a playset by now. Fabled Grimro. I think that's our second one. And Duloran with Blizzard Warrior in the common dual terminal. Awesome. Next pack. So many red eyes. Red Eyes Black Dragon. Finally, a Knight Assailant. And we're going to get a fusion here. What it's going to be? It's going to be another Elemental Hero Flame Wingman with Naturia Strawberry being our common dual terminal. That's beautiful. Beautiful. So many red eyes. I love it. We got Book of Moon, Lava Golem, Naturia Bamboo Shoot, and Harpy Lady 1. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Are you all you Harpy Lady fans out there? You know you're out there doing things. Oh my god. It was just sticking out from the get-go. Dark Magician. I think that's our second one. Mist Valley, Apex Avian, glued to our boxes, and Gale Bulge. Oh my god, we got an extra. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. They doubled up. Do you see this? We got double the ultra rares. Oh, that is a total that's a total misprint. Not misprint, but mistakeroo. Thank you, Konami. Dark Magician, Mist Valley Apex Avian, Gale Bulge, an extra Red Eyes, Deloran, Naturia Cherries, but only one common, Neo Flamvel Origin. Wow, they gave us, that's why it came up so fast. Oh my god. Let's hope we get more of those. Wow. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, Naturia Barkion, Polymerization, our first Tarantula. Gotta love it. Gets too many reprints though, and Naturia Fruit Fly. I have to put together a Naturia deck after this for sure. I think that's one I actually do not have. So, all right, we got our Dark Magician, Barrel Dragon, and a Dark Paladin with Neo Flamvel Garuda. It's our common dual terminal. That is, wow, what a throwback. Throwback. Taking it back. Super old school to our Yugi Boomer days as kids. All right, here we go. Fabled Ragin. That's our second one, I believe. Skill Drain. That is our second Skill Drain, ladies and gents. Gotta love it. Oh, yeah. Give me all the Skill Drain. Bryanak, Dragon of the Ice Barrier, and an Ally of Justice Field Marshal as a common dual terminal. Freaking sweet, man. Freaking sweet. I actually have a Lost Art Skill Drain. I'll probably sell that now that I have so many Skill Drains out of here. Okay, we got Barrel Dragon. Beautiful. Naturia Barkion, Polymerization, and for our common, Dust Tornado. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Sí, magnifique. Sí, magnifique. I love it. Me gusta. All right. Our next pack. We got, oh my God, I love seeing these MSTs. Oh man, it takes me back. What format is this not good in? This is still good in this format even. Just to hit that Fateful Adventure package. All right, MST, Naturia Beast, Phalanx, and the Kushamo for our common dual terminal. 2 more packs until we open up the next display box. We got ourselves a Lava Golem, our second Trishula, and our third Bamboo Shoot with Ally of Justice, Rudra, as our common dual terminal. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Okay. And here we go. Last one. Dark Magician, Night Assailant, Gugner, and Sacred Spirit of the Ice Barrier. Oh, this is the best. Okay, all right. That is our second box. On to our next one. Man, we got to get some more skill drains out of these. I see people pulling 2 or 3 display box. We're getting 1 per display box, which is fantastic. But honestly, I'd like to see at least 2 skill drain in one of these. Let's hope we get it.
This is so much
All right.
fun.
So while Aliyah's opening up the last one here, as far as dice, we did get 2 more Ice Barrier dice. We got 1 Ally of Justice.
And I got
2 Naturia Cherry, Fabled, and 2 more Lowels. Nice. And then for our secret rares, we got, take a look, I think we got a lot of Power Tool Dragon here. We got 1, 2, 3 Power Tool Dragons. Okay. We got 1 Armed Dragon, the Armed Dragon, which is awesome. We got 1 Deep Sea Repertoire. She is super awesome. Another Gusarme, 1 Armory Arm, and 1 Formula Synchron. Okay, let's jump in to our third box. Let's do this. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Let me push these extra commons over. We got, man, I think every single pack we've started off with the Red Eyes. I love it. Red Eyes, Naturia Cherries, and Dark Paladin with a Dragoonity Angusticlav 7. The card artwork is just, he's a pretty cool card. Okay. Hey, don't throw them. All right. Next, we've got, love it, MST, DeLorean, Cherries, and Caravan of the Ice Barrier. Awesome. See that Shining Flame Wingman and Skill Drain. I have a feeling we're just going to pull a ton of Skill Drain here. Let's go. Let's go. Fabled Ragin. This should be our third one. Lava Golem, DeLorean, and Dewdark of the Ice Barrier. Awesome, awesome. Here we go. Ooh. That came undone a little strange, Here we go. We got Card Trooper, our second Card Trooper. Barca is our third Barca, another Dark Paladin, and Geomancer of the Ice Barrier. Awesome. Very cool. Next, we got another MST, Red Eyes, just glued. Blue Eyes, that should be a play set, and Ally of Justice Cycle Reader. Very awesome. Very awesome. Okay. Let's do this. We got Cyber Dragon. I think that might be our third one. Cherries, Naturia Exterio, and a Wing Karibo. Whoa! That's a good omen. That's a good omen. Oh man, that's so cool. That's so awesome. Okay. Speaking of Winkaribo, here he is around the top. And we got Night Assailant. Awesome. Maybe that's a playset, or at least our second one. Gale Bulge, Grimrow, and Ally of Justice Cycle Reader is our common dual terminal. Sweet. Freaking sweet, man. Okay, what do we got here? We got Book of Moon, Mist Valley Apex Avian, another Dark Paladin, and Strategist of the Ice Barrier as our common dual terminal. Super sweet. Okay. 1 second, ladies and gents. There we go. Phone's dying on me. Okay. Let's do this. Our next one. We got Night Assailant, another Red Eyes, Dragoonity Ducks, and Dewdark of the Ice Barrier. How many packs we got left, Aliyah?
6.
6 packs left, ladies and gents. Let's do this.
But there isn't 3.
There is a whole other box. Cyber Dragon, Naturia Beast, Polymerization, and Naturia Cosmo Beat. Awesome. Okay, let's see if we can get a skill drain in. What we got? How many packs left? We got 6. Yeah, we got 6 more
5.
packs left.
5.
This one and 5 more. MST, Naturia Beast, Phalanx, Mist Valley Thunderlord. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. 5 more chances at skill drain. Let's get 2 skill drain in these next 5.
Really?
Why not? Let's just do it. Let's do it. Let's go for it. Gale Bulge, Book of Moon, Grimrow, Ally of Justice, Cycle Reader. Nice. Very nice. Can we get a skill drain? 4 more chances from this display. We gotta get at least 1. Here's to hoping for 2. Here we go, ladies and gents. Lava Golem, Naturia Exterio, Polymerization, and you know it. Oh my god. I hardly saw anybody pull these. Buster Blader, common dual terminal. That is freaking sick. All right, 3 more packs. 3 more chances at that skill drain. Here we go. MST, Barrel Dragon, Dragoonity Phalanx, and Naturia Cliff. Naturia Cliff Bar. Makes me hungry. Thinking about it. Here we go. This is the one. Skill drain. We got 2 more packs left. This is second to last pack. Starting us off with a Barca, Cyber Dragon, and Poly. With the Wrath of Neo's dual terminal. Wow. That is going to be worth a pretty penny once we get the Neo support. Oh my god. All right, ladies and gents, last chance at skill drain. Are we going to be the first person I ever see to not pull a skill drain out of a display set? It would be unfortunate, but that is the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. Card Trooper, Dragoonity Ducks, and a Polymerization. Oof. The luck ain't with us. The luck ain't with us. This just means we're going to get twice as many in the next set. That's all that means. I'm praying to God. That's all. I hope that's all it means. Okay. We'll pause one more time, and we're going to open up this last display set for you guys. All right, let's show you guys what we pulled here. So Aliyah's going to go first. She's going to show you guys the secret rares she pulled. 1 Formula Synchron. 1 Gusarme. Go ahead and put that over in the Gusarme pile. And 1 Deep Sea Repertoire. Very nice, Aliyah Bear. I'm going to be in charge of the packs. Then for the dice, what dice did you get? Laval. Very cool. Ally of Justice. and the ice barriers. And then for the secret rares I got 3 armory arm, 1 piled arm dragon. I think I only got 2 of these in total, which is sad, but that's okay. And an armed dragon, the armed dragon. So we got lots of those guys. All right, and then for the dice, I got 2 fabled. Got 2 ice barriers.
Those are my favorite.
And me too. And 1 lava. We did not get any of the cool Karibo ones, which is unfortunate, but that's okay. Alrighty, now let's get those skill drains. Let's get them. Let's get those skill drains. 3 skill drains. I've seen it happen. Let's pull all 3 of them right now. We got Knight Assailant. Another Red Eyes. Every opening pack we get a Red Eyes. Ally of Justice, Decisive Armor, and Dragoonity Partisan. Very cool. We got Barrel Dragon. So glad I didn't put it. I was gonna put together a Barrel Dragon deck like a couple weeks ago, a month ago maybe. Didn't do it. So glad I didn't. Now I got these. Naturia Exterio, Bamboo Shoot, and Enemy Controller. Common Dual Terminal. Mist Valley Apex Avian. Awesome. Polymerization, Tarantula, and Fabled Leviathan. Yes. That is awesome.
It's raining Yu-Gi-Oh packs.
It is raining Yu-Gi-Oh packs up in here. Here we go, ladies and gents. What do we got? Another Mist Valley Apex Avian. Wow. Wow. Naturia Beast, Dragoonity Phalanx, and a... Is that the dual terminal one? Yes, it is. I can barely see on this one. Fabled Kudabi. Okay.
Why does it keep raining Yu-Gi-Oh packs?
It's because of you.
What?
Because of your awesomeness. MST, Bamboo Shoot, Bryanak, with Ally of Justice, Searcher, Common Dual Terminal. Let's see what we got. Dark Magician. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Naturia Cherries. Awesome. Dark Paladin. Awesome. Mist Valley Thunderlord. Awesome. Let's do this. Ooh, there's a Stratos. Card Trooper. Fabled Grimro, and a Blue Eyes White Dragon. Awesome. With a Fabled Toppy. Look at our Tower of Ultra Rares. Mist Valley Apex Avian. Insanity. Dragoonity Phalanx. Naturia Beast. Fabled Cockatour. But no skill drain yet. God damn it. Okay. Here we go. This will be our first skill drain, right? Right? Wish some luck here. Blowing a kiss. Book of Moon. Blue Eyes White Dragon. Oh my god, it worked. It worked. That's skill drain. You are all witness to this. So that was some magic right there. It was you blew a kiss on it, and you know how about you just do that for every pack now? Wow. All right, we got ourselves a skill drain. If we can get 2, man, that would be awesome. Okay, we got 7 more chances at a second skill drain, or a third. Let's get that second one. Let's get that second one. Knight Assailant. Dark Magician, Polymerization with Neo Flamvel Garuda. Lego. We got Cyber Dragon, Fabled Ragin, Gugnir, Dragunity Javelin. Okay. Come on, second skill drain. Let's go. Let's go. We need ya. Card Trooper, Fabled Ragin, Ally of Justice, Decisive Armor. With a Blizzed, Defender of the Ice Spirit, that's our second dual terminal common. Blizzed. Blizzed. Okay. Let's do this. Night Assailant. This is such an awesome reprint. I love it. Love it for the Time Wizard format. It's so great. Bryanak, Dragon of the Ice Barrier, and a Bamboo Shoot with a Flamvel Guard. That is cool. That is cool. Dual terminal common. Flamvel Guard. Very awesome. Okay. Let's go. Mistworm. Another Barca. Awesome. Dragunity Ducks. Flamvel Magician. Common dual terminal. 2 more packs. Oh my god. Can we get that second skill drain? I don't know. I don't know. Even if we don't, it's been fun, ladies and gentlemen. And that's what it's all about. Mistworm. Red Eyes Black Dragon. Dragunity Phalanx. The Naturia Strawberry, common dual terminal. And for our last one, even if I don't get a skill drain, I'd also love another double ultra pack. That was pretty cool. I can't believe we actually pulled one of those. I love it when Konami makes errors in our favor. It's fantastic. Here we go. Last chance at a skill drain.
Okay.
Mist Valley Apex Avian.
Pretty good.
Naturia Barkion.
Pretty cool.
Oh, not in our favor today. Fabled Grimro. With a dual terminal common of a Harpy Lady 3. That is our final pack, ladies and gents. Oh my gosh. Aliyah, this has been so much fun. I love hanging out with you and doing this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What is your favorite card out of this set? What are you most looking forward to? What do you think needs a reprint? And what do you think is going to be in the Hidden Arsenal Chapter 2? More importantly. All right, thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys next time.
I want the dice.
You want to what?
I want to store all of them.
You want to sort them all? Do you want to say goodbye to everybody? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.